Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus. I'm here with my guy Layz Beats from the legendary Cash Gang. He's a Billboard #1 producer. Right now we're just gonna do a bit of a warm-up beat. It's something that he started literally on the train ride here. So I'm gonna play the melody, see if we can add some drums. His guy Soldado's gonna pull up as well. No major plans for the session, we're just gonna cook up. How often are you making drill?
I can show you a couple beats that I've made, but it's literally 2 in the last couple months, I'm not gonna lie.
You got some big placements though in drill, didn't you? You did the Central C and Fredo one. That was crazy.
That was the second drill beat I ever made.
Was it?
Yeah, I was just
fucking crazy.
I'm not even gonna lie, I was watching your tutorials. I spent so long on 808s and drums.
Yeah, me too, man. Like trap beats is kind of easy because you can just click them in quick, can't you?
Yeah, and you don't want to do too much either because I've been making drill beats and I just add mad 808s everywhere.
You feel like you have to add slides everywhere.
Yeah, but you don't.
It goes like that.
Say because you were in the flow.
Nah, if there's something out, take it out.
It does work as well because it's it's like tension. It's like it's like really tense, but like I felt like there was something. But
that might sound. Yeah, I've just moved it. Before it was like further down. I think it was out.
Yo.
What's good, bro?
What's good, bro? Soldado.
Nice to meet you, man.
Too. I don't know how fucking late, but
yeah, you got it.
You got it.
What's going on? You guys cooking up?
Yeah. Do you want take a listen?
He started a little melody on the train. I've just thrown some drums in. Need some kind of arrangement. So you mainly produce drill as well, yeah?
A little bit of everything. Like right now my main focus is just samples. But yeah, what are you guys thinking? Should we just start a new
we can start a fresh one. Yeah.
I low-key don't even show face like that yet.
I know, yeah.
Fuck it.
You're gonna start getting a reputation.
I know, I'm like exposing everyone.
Exposing producers like Cactus TV. Yeah.
Are you thinking of like chord progressions in mind?
Not thinking with music theory in mind. Sometimes like lets you come up with chords that if you like stick within the rules, you'll like naturally think that won't work.
No, you're right.
Backwards vocals.
Yeah, backwards vocals. That's the one.
Jeez. That actually had like a run.
Oh, no, it's not that one. But I don't know. I don't feel like. I don't know. I feel like they're doing well.
More like pop,
Yeah.
Maybe that. Yeah. What are you saying? Arrangement? Just
Yeah, we might as well.
for sure.
No, because you're mostly focused on samples, right? When you send them out, and you hear when people have like changed the pitch and stretched them and shit. Does it piss you off? Or you're just
Nah,
like, whatever?
bro, I
'Cause
actually
sometimes you
love
make
it.
to like what you think is perfection in it, and you're like, this
Yeah.
is how I want it to sound.
No,
Yeah,
it's-
sometimes.
Yeah, it depends. Like if they've had it, like if they've done it to the point where you can't tell that it's your sample anymore, then
Yeah.
it's like a bit weird. But nah, it's interesting to see how people flip stuff anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just make some like variations on the melody
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
verse.
How did Cash Money find you?
It was crazy. A lot of people were as soon as I made my first guitar loop, a lot of people were messaging me for guitar loops. His email was in his Instagram at the time.
Yeah.
So I was just like going through and I was just trying to send loops out to people. It was kind of like a hit or miss situation. I was like, it's not gonna affect me if he doesn't check the email. So I'll just send it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So I sent it, and then he replied back like an hour later saying send more.
That's it.
And I only had them 5 loops ever.
That's sick that he actually saw the email though, because
Yeah.
probably just hit him at a perfect time. Because
Literally.
imagine how many emails he'll get as well.
But that brought so many opportunities.
What are we saying? Should we cook
Yeah,
up
we
a
can
new
start
one?
something.
Trying to think what else to add really. I feel like this is one of them ones where
Might not need much
it'd
else.
just be so clean, yeah. Like drums will
'Cause
really.
the vocals are there as well.
Yeah, exactly.
You can switch between the vocals and the flute.
Yeah. I think a rim for this one, you know.
That's crazy.
don't really want to add loads to it, you know. I'll just make a quick second 808 pattern.
So used to the darkness in this room when I went outside. It was
Bro, yeah, no, it was crazy. My eyes had to adjust for a second.
Do you prefer like working in the dark or having some daylight? Because
God,
producers are notorious for just being in the
In
dark.
the dark.
Yeah.
I feel like everyone gets memed like we're like
Yeah.
fucking vampires or something.
Yeah.
Like the sun will kill us.
Never know, sometimes you just get a nice reverse part at the end.
Yeah, no, that's hard.